right, Mexican pink onion, otherwise known as moradas en escabeche.
I'm sure that was perfect.
Perfect pronunciation. So again, this is continuing with our Belize cookery here. We're making a condiment that is common to the Yucatan Peninsula. So I have 1 red onion sliced very thinly, and I'm going to add to that a sixth of a cup of simple syrup. Now, you can, if you don't have simple syrup hanging around in your fridge like we do, you can make this by using an equal amount of water and sugar and just boil it until the sugar dissolves, and there you have it. So we're going to put that in. We're going to use 1/3 of a cup of lime juice, and this recipe traditionally would be made with bitter orange juice. And since we don't have any of that anywhere near us, we are going to substitute 1/3 of a cup of lime, 1/3 of a cup of orange, which in this case is going to be tangerine, or what are these, mandarin sort of things, yeah. And 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. And that will give a similar effect. Not the same, but you know, you got to use the ingredients you have. So in goes that. This will be a little easier. Should be a little easier. And I'm not, I just really kind of want equal proportions of these things.
Probably get more juice out of that orange.
Well,
than the lime.
It's not turning out that way. And we'll go with some apple cider vinegar. And another variation I found on this recipe is just use vinegar. I've got 10 black peppercorns, a teaspoon of oregano. And again, I think here if you had Mexican oregano, you'd be more authentic.
We did at one point.
Yeah.
It's probably up there somewhere.
And then a little bit of heat. And you can decide how much heat you want to add to this and how you want to do it. One way is to just slice a pepper into big slices, and then they'll make everything a little warm, but you can avoid them if you want. I'm going to actually cut this up into little dice and throw it in there.
Now, what kind of pepper are you using?
This is a Serrano, fresh from the greenhouse. In the Yucatan, this would commonly be made with habanero. But, which, you know, that'd be fine too, but
none of those in the greenhouse.
Yeah, we don't have any of those in the greenhouse. And we're here mid-December, and our greenhouse is still pumping out the peppers. And we would like some salt. And I don't think I want a whole teaspoonful in here. I'm just gonna go with about a half a teaspoon. And then we are gonna give this a good stir. See if we can get this stuff to mix up. Kind of looks to me like this isn't really enough liquid. And I think what I'll do is come back with I'm going to double the amount of liquid so that I get this up in the bowl here, because I really want it to cover these onions. So I'm going to do another orange, another lime, some more vinegar, and I think that'll come up a little better. Sometimes, you know, you just gotta wing it.
Gotta have all the gadgets.
It's too hard to get the juice out of these any other way.
Those onions will soften too.
Yeah. Some more vinegar. And since we're changing the proportion of sour things, we could use some more simple syrup. There we go, that looks much better. The onions are swimming in that now. And I have a feeling this is going to be much more successful. So there we go. We're going to let this marinate overnight. I don't know that it has to marinate that long. I think you could call this a quick pickle and just let it sit for a couple hours, but this one's going to get overnight. So we'll have some more to do with this tomorrow. But that's your Mexican pink onion. So our Mexican pink onion has been marinating here for a day. It's looking pretty good. It's going to be a nice little touch on our fish. So thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen, and we'll see you next time.